Nag-react si Shaquille O'Neal sa ginawa ni Russell Westbrook, mga idol, game-winning play. So yun, na-upset nga ng Denver Nuggets ang OKC Thunder sa kanilang home court dahil sa game winner ni Aaron Gordon. Hindi lang crowd yung naiwang gulat dahil itong si Chet Holmgren hawak ulo pabalik ng locker room. Dahil sa nangyari na overshadow ng game winner 3-pointer ni Aaron Gordon ang ginawa ni Russell Westbrook. Dahil yung final play na yon ng Denver Nuggets, sinet up ni Brody papunta kay Aaron Gordon sa wing. Dahil doon sa interview ni AG, binigyang credit niya yung ginawa ni Russell Westbrook.
The open man is the right play. The right play is the open man. Russ makes the right play.
And remember, may motivation itong si Aaron Gordon na gusto niyang bigyan ng ring si Russell Westbrook.
Russ, I think he's gonna be a Hall of Famer too. So doing whatever I can to try and get him a ring.
I-credit din natin yung binibigay na tiwala ng rookie head coach David Adelman sa future Hall of Famer na si Russell Westbrook. Dito sa Game 1, naglaro si Russ ng 30 minutes at umiscore ng 18 points in 53.8 shooting percentage. Napagtawanan pa si Russ sa social media nang magmintesto ng crucial 3-point shot last 23 seconds. Lahat sa Inside the NBA, mga idol, napabilib kay Russell Westbrook, lalo si Shaquille O'Neal.
With the great play right there. And my man just knocked down the shot. Now the
Nice floor.
great pass by Westbrook.
Binigyan nila ng emphasis na hindi naging greedy for that last play si Brody.
Russ made the great basketball play. Didn't say, I'm coming back to OKC and be the hero. I'm going to make the best play available. He does. Knockdown.
And how about Nikola Jokic? 42 points, 22 rebounds, 6 assists, and 2 block shots, shooting 51% sa field. Fourth NBA player in history na nakapagtala ng 40-25 game. Great win sa Game 1, pero tingnan natin kung ano ang magiging bawi ng OKC sa Game 2. So meron tayo, mga idol, bagong promo code ng 1xBet nasa comment section. Tingnan nyo lamang